Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.34. Let's take a closer look at the ETF's performance during this time. The ETF experienced a decline of 22%. This equates to an average loss of 5.5% per day, since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, presenting a potentially favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor, positioned at $14.44, be breached, it would signal an enhanced rate of decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of -34.74% over the next 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between -41.21% and +4.88%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month evaluation forecasts a projected change of -37.68%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -70.15% and +85.57% within the next year. In practical terms, this would place the anticipated future price within the range of $4.79 to $29.75. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for SOXL ETF Price on Friday, moving between $15.74 and $17.59. The SOXL ETF price fell by 9.74% on the last day, Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, from $17.76 to $16.03. It has now declined for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 11.75%, with a day low at $15.74 and a day high of $17.59. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 19.04% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 36 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that the risk will be slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 137 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.2 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $15.74. Currently, the price is 77.13%, or $54.05, below the 52-week high, and 95.76%, or $362.21, below the all-time high on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange-Traded Fund, known by its ticker SOXL, has recently encountered significant challenges. The ETF has plummeted to $26.30, marking a staggering 62% decline from its 2024 peak. This downturn arises amidst a cooling in the artificial intelligence sector, which had previously driven substantial gains for semiconductor stocks. Increased competition in the graphics processing unit market, particularly from custom chips developed by technology giants like Google and Amazon, is straining demand for traditional products from NVIDIA, further squeezing the margins for companies that constitute SOXL's underlying assets. Despite brief glimmers of opportunity due to the recent panic over competition, investor sentiment remains cautious. SOXL has struggled with significant tracking errors related to its benchmark index, indicating inefficiency in its management and execution. In the short term, the performance of SOXL could continue to be volatile, driven by ongoing market uncertainty and competitive pressures. Long-term prospects could hinge on the semiconductor sector's resiliency and adaptability to evolving technology demands. While semiconductors are critical for continued economic growth, the immediate outlook presents substantial risks that may deter cautious investors. As such, the sentiment surrounding SOXL is decidedly negative, positioning it as a strong sell in the current environment. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $19.05 and $22.84. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, March 24, 2025, and so far, it has decreased by 23.67%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots reflect a sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal from 70 days prior. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 162 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may perform poorly in the coming days. The ETF is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Given the wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $1.85 between its high and low, representing a change of 11.75%. In the last week, the ETF has seen an average daily volatility of 7.73%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $17.41. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the ETF, this might be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume beneath this level, which indicates that the ETF could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and only consider placing trades if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. We hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL currently presents several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly over the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, March 31st, we expect SOXL to open higher by approximately 423/100ths and begin trading at $16.45. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.